Ocean Explorer, ro pesquisa no Media Ocean X nian. Dera uni atraca ona e Porto Tibar, no se explora tasi Timor. Nebe ho tema Exploring the Age, de Timor Passage, atividade exploração ne. Se realiza e loro walu to loro ronulu resi rua, fula novembro ne, e tasi norte Timor-Leste. Inclui se halemos e ilha Atauru. Ro Ocean Explorer, lori tecnologia avançado, inclui submersível, tasi larang nian. Veículo sira nebe opera usido. No sistema imagem avançado sira, nebe bele atinge profundidade. Tometro Riunhat, Sefi Scientist Ocean X, Vision Pure Ribbon HTT, sira ni presença e Timor, atau hal expedição batasi Timor nian. No sira mo sente orgulho, tamba Timor-Leste e ecosistema ira, nebe único no furak.
We are here about to commence tomorrow an expedition here in the waters of Timor-Leste. Very proud, excited to be here. We begin on the 8th, and I'm working with my friend Andrew, who's coming to the scene here. Andrew is the mission director for this mission. He's the man responsible for designing with your scientists and with scientists from all over the world. I think we have 11 countries represented amongst the scientists here, including scientists from Saudi Arabia, scientists from Australia, scientists from the US, from Italy, all coming on board the boat. They'll be arriving tomorrow to do research in your waters. We chose Timor-Leste because it is really a unique and amazing and beautiful ecosystem. It is a small, as you know, island, but it, as we say in America, bats way above its weight. You have so much biodiversity, so much beautiful animal life in your waters that we are honored to come and study that work. All of the data that we will collect on this expedition will be given to your government to use in spatial planning and protection of your water. So we will bring all these ROVs and submarines that you saw to examine and look at your deep water, your shallow water, and we will have helicopters and drones in the air to look at your pygmy blue whale population that's here. We'll be studying those animals for their health. As you may or may not know, those animals get attacked every year by these tiny fish called cookie cutter sharks, and they have wounds all over their bodies, and we think that those wounds may be going up year in and year out, which is not great for the health of those animals. So we're here to sort of survey that impact on those animals, because they're very important, those animals, to Timor, of course, because you have a large tourist industry around looking at those animals as they pass through here. You're very lucky to have blue whales passing this close to your shore. It's a very rare occasion anywhere on the earth to have blue whales, as you know, within such proximity.
O objetivo principal presença do Ocean X e Timor-Leste, atu documenta a biodiversidade tasilara, no pelágico, liusi mergulho, submersível, operação ROV, no levantamento by scuba, estuda migração, saúde no hahalo baleia azul, pigmeu niang, usa imagem drone, marcação, no amostragem ambiental, no Ocean X. Se implementa a Ocean X na plataforma, se Swipe AI, ba anotação espécies sira, e a tempo real. No analisa imagem nian, no halo mapamento e tasiocos. O resolução AS, onde contribui para planeamento marinha regional tasiocos. Portanto, Ocean X uma organização não lucrativo ida. Nebe serviço atuloke tasi ne potencial sustentável. Liuhusi foco duplo, ba ciência no educação. No sira harihela paradigma fong ida. Ia nebe, humanidade no tasi burasa mutu. Reportagem Olívio Silva, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela informação ba emogoto. Atau tem informação atual dia kliu. Kita haluha, hana yang botão subscribe, like, halo comentário, no fahe tutang ba media sosial hotu.